The first piece of equipment that I own in my home gym that is definitely the centerpiece and gets asked about more than anything else is my wall-mounted pull-up bar. It's from a brand called Titan Fitness, and I picked this brand specifically because I saw that it was way cheaper than the one from Rogue. And even though there's a huge price difference, the quality of it is really good. Like, I've had it in my home for a couple of years now and I haven't had any issues. I've been able to throw my full body weight over the bar doing a whole variety of calisthenics exercises and can even hang from it, and I don't have any problems with it at all. The pull-up bar is the most important piece of equipment you can have in your home gym because it allows you to perform exercises to hit absolutely all of your upper body muscles. Even though it's called a pull-up bar, you can use it to target your push muscles using exercises such as bar dips. And honestly, between just doing simple pull-ups and bar dips, you're gonna already be able to target all of your upper body muscles. Or if you want to challenge yourself extra or progress from there, then the next steps would be, of course, to start performing dynamic movements such as the muscle up, which will hit both your pull muscles and your push muscles at the same time, or training various calisthenic holds, which will still target all of your muscles at the same time, but will emphasize certain muscle groups over others. For example, if you perform a back lever, you're going to be putting a lot more utilization on your back muscles, and if you perform a front lever, you're going to be utilizing your chest and your abs a lot more as well. Doing any exercise from the bar at all, even just simple hanging, is actually great for your abs already because your core will be working to stabilize itself as you perform any given movement.